You gotta change that laugh immediately, man. I need you to express your joy in a different manner. Man, are you Black Santa Claus? Your laugh is so wholesome. If I heard that coming down my chimney in the middle of the night, I'd call the police. What is your name, man? Bro, the depth and bass and comfort you have in your voice, I know you got a dick on it. Man, you laugh like you getting your dick sucked, dude. You really do. What if we spoke and he was like, well, really, I'm from this